Getting it or not? Everybody knows. Now I told this thing, how many times we heard this, we are searching happiness outside even though it's inside. Hey, even inside I'm not able to get, that's why I'm searching outside. We are sitting in the class, all the Vedanta, search inside, search inside. I tried, I'm not able to get, at least I can get outside. Sitting in the Vedanta class, who is talking? The teacher is able to hear the sound, mind voice of the students. Always Vedanta in the class, inside. Sir, when I sit and see inside, all black. Nothing is there. Sleep only comes. At least I can open my eyes and I go outside. Whatever little I can take, alpa santushti. I am very happy, just leaving. Evening we were talking. Simple joy is taking us life very nicely. Evening at 5 o'clock we get coffee. 3 hours that will push my life. Okay, night dinner. When I take dinner, whole night I will not get up. So that will push the whole night. Life is going, rolling away. Morning I get up, one more cup. That will push me towards for that breakfast. When breakfast comes, there also alpa santushti. When I take breakfast, that will push till lunch. Lunch. That will push me for some rest. That will push me evening coffee. Like this, my life is going very nicely. Simple, this simple joy only pushing the whole life. We are not tired of for that. We never say this is enough of everything, all this circle. No, I'm very happy. How are you happy? Happily I'm going. You want to moksha? No.